Obed here at Texas Tint Haus, where we specialize in window tinting. Been doing this for going on 7 years now. So I fell into it by working at the dealership as a mechanic. Whenever I didn't have any work, I would go back and look at the tinters because my bay was in a certain spot and the tinter worked behind me. And so I would go watch them when I had nothing to do. I'd just go and watch them tint. And I'd say, hey man, you make it look easy, dude. He's like, it's not that bad. Once you learn how to do it. '2019, I've been tinting since 2019. Using, hand cut. And I'm glad they taught me that because it's something that, you can't take a machine with you to a job site. Flat glass and commercial, like residential houses, businesses, etc. So I do heavy equipment, Caterpillar stuff, tractors. If it's got glass, I'll tint it. This is my cup of tea, is tint. So it's hard to match that. It definitely protects your investment of your vehicle. No particular correct slip to use. It's just kind of whatever works for you. Some people even use Dawn. I mean, cool to them, but I don't think using a degreaser solution is good for adhesive, so. When you call me, you're talking directly to me. I am your installer. I'm making sure everything's looking great before it leaves these doors. That way, we don't want you coming back unless you're bringing me something else for you to do. That's it, just a matter of cleaning the window and that's it. I'm good to go. I hope to be hearing from you guys soon, you know what I mean?